If you're wondering how to check iPhone battery health, this video is for you. In this video, you'll learn how to check the health of your iPhone battery in just a few simple steps. After watching this video, you can find out if your battery is in good shape or needs to be replaced. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the settings. If you have an iPhone running iOS 11.3 or later, you can see the battery health in settings. To do that, scroll down and tap on Battery. Once you are on this screen, you will see a bunch of information about your battery, like when it was last charged, your battery usage, etc. So what you want to do next is tap on Battery Health and Charging. Once you are on this screen, you will see the maximum capacity of your iPhone battery. Mine is at 100%. So if you have a capacity that's close to 100%, your battery is good. Lower capacity may result in fewer hours of usage between charges. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.